Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween Mystery Box. Ooh, spooky. As you gorgeous people know, this is about the products and not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy, okay? Thank you. So how the fuck is everyone today? It is a stunning day out here. Unfortunately, it's colder than a snow witch's hole out there, but it sure is pretty to look at. Anyways, I hope wherever you're at in this universe, you are having a spectacular day. You know what, damn it? Smile at a stranger. You never know what they're going through, and that smile, it can change their whole day. Do you know who also agrees with that? Ron does. Oh, you handsome baby. Oh, God, I love you so fucking much. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Can I have a kiss? Give me kisses? No kisses? My God, you're like all of my exes. Alright, you go back to your little bed, you little man. Yeah, fucker. Anyways, I am very excited about this little unboxing. I have no idea what we're gonna get. I have not seen any spoilers, but I did end up getting, oh God, there's fucking hair on my chapstick. Okay, I got the cheapest one. Don't know what's in it. I didn't get a bigger one because typically they have merch in it, and I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but I would never wear their merch. I just don't wear merch, and so it would have been wasted. I suppose I could have done a giveaway with it, but I didn't think that far ahead. So I ended up just getting the cheaper one. Let's go ahead and open this up. I don't even remember how much this was. Could it have been like maybe $40? I don't know. Really, I don't even remember what is supposed to come in it, like how many items. So here we have this. It's in nice little paper. Oh, that's cute. It comes wrapped up. Oh my gosh, do we get like an eyeshadow palette? Hold on, is there a receipt or anything in here? There isn't? Like, I really want to know how much I paid for this. Let me just look at my fucking bank statement. Okay, so I believe this was $51.94, so I don't know, 45 bucks maybe? Either way, let's still dive the fuck into this. I don't want to give it a look. Let's see, the first product we have, probably a bullet vibrator or a bullet lipstick. Okay, so this is the shade Glazed. I'm pretty sure I do own this, and I don't know that I love it. I think it's kind of like gold and sparkly. Yes, it is. Oh, actually, it's got a really pretty kind of like greenish to pink shift. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's so pretty. Not gonna lie though, I don't know that I've ever used the one that I have, so there's that. Actually, I may have returned the one that I do have because I don't see it over there. Oops. Okay, moving on. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, this is like a Halloween one. Is this one that's like special to this? This is Soul Sucker. Oh my God. No, I've sucked the souls out of some people, but it wasn't through their mouth, I'll tell you that. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of like black and gold. Ooh, can you see that? If my fucking camera will focus, there we go. Okay, so it's black with gold flecks. It has a beautiful typical Jeffree Star doe foot. Let me see if it has a smell. Maybe like licorice or tapioca? I don't know. Oh, I bet you it's like candy corn or something. That's pretty Halloween-y. And I guess I could kind of smell candy corn. It just smells like a generic liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, but it's very chunky. Let me give that a little bit of a spin in there. Kind of separated during transit. Ooh, now that I shake that up, so much more of the gold comes through. It like totally transformed. I don't know, can you see that? I like it. I don't know that I would ever use it as a lipstick, not gonna lie. Let me just put it on my, Oh dear. So it's basically kind of like a semi-sheer black with big chunks of gold flecks. I don't know if you can see exactly how thick those chunks of glitter are. Let me grab my phone. I actually think it's prettier in the tube than it is out of the tube. All right, so there she is on my hairy 8 palm. Maybe you can kind of see the big ass flecks in there, which if you like big chunks of glitter, you'd probably like this. I personally am not a fan of glitter, especially in large form like that. But let me give it a second to dry because if it stays in place, maybe this would be a really pretty eyeshadow. Oh, no. It transferred, and it's been on my hands for quite a while. Is this a lip gloss, or is this a lipstick? Soul Sucker Velour Liquid Lipstick. Why is it taking so long to dry? I don't know about this one. The big glitter flecks are not staying there. They're kind of going everywhere. I'm not in love with that one. I'll definitely display it on my shelf because I do think it's really pretty, and we'll probably end up using it. Actually, you know what? Just for shits, why don't we go ahead and give this a try right now? Let me really stir it up because it seemed very separated and liquidy. I'll make sure there's nothing on my lips. Here we go. Hold on, I should probably have a mirror for this. Oh. Oh dear. It's very minimal coverage and super splotchy. I guess from there it doesn't look bad. Oh my god, I'm like the fucking Joker. Let me get you zoomed in on this one. Ready? Here we go. Brace your titties. Okay, so here it is with one coat. It is gonna need another coat. I did rub my lips together. I usually do with liquid lipsticks, just to evenly disperse it. Oh my god. Oh, I can, it's in my mouth. And because it's like such big glitter, oh, it's like grinding my teeth. Okay, let's put another layer on because it is starting to dry down. And maybe all she needs is to be layered up. And this time, I will not rub my lips together. Okay, so I will let you form your own opinions on this because I'm pretty sure we can all tell exactly what I'm thinking. It looks like I just ate a bat's asshole. On camera though, I think it looks a lot better, but in person it just, ugh. Look at that sparkle though. I have no words. I only have like moans and grunts. That was not worth putting it on. Okay, so there's that. If we're being honest, I have found that with like the seasonal items that Jeffree comes out with, they tend to not be that great, like the holiday ones, especially the summer collections. I've really not had good luck with them. All of the other products I've adored, but the limited edition ones, I've found not to be that good. Okay, let me wipe this off because it is not comfortable. All right, that is off. There is still glitter all over my mouth. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like I gave Liberace some head. That really disappoints me. If you ever get the chance to try one of his liquid lipsticks that aren't like this, like one of his normal ones, definitely do because most of them I think are really good. It's just the seasonal ones like that they're kind of iffy. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna put on some of his lip gloss. I would love if we got one of these in these mystery boxes because these actually are really good. I've grown to absolutely adore these. But let's move on. We actually still have a few items to go. Here we have probably another lipstick. This is Shake Well Before Use. I don't know, what is it? Family Jewels? Ooh, is this a brown lipstick? I love brown lipsticks so much. Oh, it is. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, do I have this? I think I do. I don't even care. I could use another one. And I already put the lip gloss on, so I can't put this on over it. Damn it. That's okay. We will put this on our hand right there. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a beautiful reddish brown. That is so up my ass. I mean my alley. And this one, I don't think it has a smell, but I know I love this formula. It's very long lasting. It dries down matte. It's super comfortable. Very happy about that. Does it make up for this spooky little shit show? Don't think so, but I am glad I got this. And based on the fact that I sent this guy back, I don't know that I love these either, so I'm not doing too well today with this. All right, let's move on. We are to the last item already. Okay, so go play in that, Mia. Oh my god, she's sitting right there all sprawled out with her fat sassy self. Oh, I love you so much, girlfriend. Okay, so I don't know what this is. I thought maybe it'd be a highlighter, but this seems awfully big for a highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's the Mini Breaker palette. This is actually one of my all-time favorite Jeffree Star palettes because it has the purple in it. Let's open it up. Ready? Ooh, yes. If you know me at all, I am a purple fucking hoe. This makes my titties tingle in all the right ways. Like, oh, I would actually much prefer this over a highlighter. I remember, I think last mystery box or the one before, I got a highlighter that was blue. What in the hell am I gonna do with a blue highlighter? A lot of people said use it as an eyeshadow, but I don't really use blue eyeshadow. Plus I have the Blue Blood palette, which has plenty of blues in it. But this made up for both of these. Still though, I don't really need two. Should I do a giveaway? Actually, I have 3 of these because I ordered 1 for myself and 2 for a giveaway and I only did 1 giveaway, so now I have 2 of these. We should do a giveaway. Okay, I think let's go ahead and do a giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. Please stay subscribed. I love having you. There will be a few other optional things like follow my other social medias, but you don't have to. But the more you do, the more chances you have of winning. Good luck to everyone. This is a worldwide giveaway. Just make sure you're at least 18 or have your parents' consent. Oh my gosh, can't believe I did that all in one take. Anyways, I was kind of planning on doing like a full look with all the products that I got, but because I've already reviewed this and done a look, there really isn't any point. Although I suppose we could do a very quick look with the other palette that I've used. And you know what? Because I have an extra one, I haven't listed anything on my Poshmark in ages, so I will go ahead and list the other one on my Poshmark. Please still feel free to go ahead and enter the giveaway though. Okay, so we're going to do a very quick, simple look today because I'm actually filming with another palette, and so I don't want to be like too burnt out when it comes to makeup and just say fuck it all. But let's go ahead and quick prime our eyes. For that, I'm going to use this NYX little primer pot. Okay, so on a fluffy ass brush, I'm going to dip into Double Scoop, and let's place that all over the eye, and I'm going to kind of work it up the crease line back and forth, but I'm going to also place it all over the eyelid. We're going to really pack that shit on today because I feel like a goddamn pumpkin. And when I say I'm actually going to do a simple look, I really truly mean it, because normally when I say that I end up looking like the ghost of Divine. Yes, honey. And then with that same brush, I'm going to dip into Hot Fudge. And we're going to just tap that lightly on the outer corner, like the outer third. Right there. These do blend so beautifully. I love this palette so much. Actually, why don't we go ahead and pack on a little more on the outside. I really love a deep outer corner. It really adds a glam essence to it. Fuck me up, daddy. I love glam looks. And then on the lower lash, let's take some Orange Crush. And I know this does have a little bit of glitter in it, but if I remember correctly, when you kind of blend it out, that glitter disappears. I am not mad at that at all because I do not like glitter. But I'm gonna take this and just smoke it out along the lower lash line back and forth. Then I'm also gonna take some right here on the inner corner of the eye, but I'm not gonna put any on the middle. Not that you're really even gonna be able to see that because I'm probably gonna go over that with that gold shimmer. But still, just for shits and giggles, let's put it there. Oh, yes, honey. Whew. Oh, it's so pretty. It gives me such good fall vibes. Even though I love summer, I am down to fuck with fall when it's not freezing. And then on my phalange, I'm gonna dip into this gold, which is called Slice. Let's just start with that right here in the middle. I might not end up putting it all over the eye like I had planned. Maybe I'll keep it right here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, no, but let's just take a tiny bit on the inner part of the eye because that'll bug me if I don't. Ooh, damn, she has some fallout. Let's just dust that shit away. All right, there we go. And then on my other finger, I'm gonna dip back into Hot Fudge and just dust a little bit of it right here on the outer corner, kind of finger bang that in. Finger blend, right there. That looks good. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna take what's left on my finger. I've never used this as a highlighter, but I'm gonna apply some right there. That is definitely way too fucking gold. But that's okay. Looks more like Fallout than it does highlighter. My bad. And let's just do a quick little baby wing because it wouldn't be a Pop Lux look without it. And let's go ahead and quick put on a very, very filthy lash. This is from Lashed by Boss in the style China Wings. Don't know why I let my lashes get so dirty, but oh, at least my underwear is clean. All right, the eyes are done. Then for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Family Jewels that I have. It's literally the same thing. Yes. Ugh, so pretty. So here we are with the final look. I didn't go in and add like foundation and concealer and stuff. I just have on a little bit of concealer that I use anytime I film. I just didn't feel like getting completely glammed up, but I like this look. And I mean, I love this palette. I also love this lipstick. Like this one totally beats those other two that this came with. Do I think this box was worth the price though? I don't know about that. I think maybe if I didn't have so much Jeffree Star stuff, yes. Because like this palette I think is what, around 30 bucks by itself. And so this plus this lipstick is like $45. So that's pretty good that you get the other extra two lipsticks basically for free. However, would I purchase this box again? Probably not. Maybe I'd go with the bigger one next time so that I got a few more items. It might just be me, but I'm totally not in love with this black one. And I really did not care for the bullet style lipsticks in this collection. They were more like bullet lip glosses, and I don't love lip gloss. Or at least not really like glittery, sparkly ones, and that is totally this. But I do really like the fact that we got a mini palette versus a highlighter because this is much more universal than a highlighter. So I'm happy. I just don't know that I'm totally satisfied. But still, I do think it was a good box, especially if you don't have a lot of Jeffree Star stuff. This is a pretty good way to try things out at a discount. So I do appreciate that, and when it comes to this box, I have no regrets. I'm glad I got it, but I think next mystery box I might spend a few pesos more and step up a little, because I am curious to see what more he would include. But yes, don't forget about the giveaway. Make sure to check out my Poshmark. All of that is linked down below. And no, this is not sponsored. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Did I have lipstick on my teeth? No, we're good. Okay, bye.